So recently, I finally bricked my Nintendo Switch. Sometimes it turns on, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it loads, sometimes it's stuck in a boot loop. So I did the next best logical thing, of course. I bought myself a new Switch. And of course, this is going to be the special edition Animal Crossing Switch bundle with the game, totaling out at a little over $450. So let's talk about why I got this. As you can see, this one right here is the Pokemon Edition Nintendo Switch. I'm a huge fan of Nintendo's custom special limited edition Switches because I just feel like the designs are really cool. So when this Switch died, I finally thought, you know what? I should probably move on to a different one. And of course, who doesn't like Animal Crossing? So this is going to be my chance to unbox this Switch with you guys. First of all, we got the game. I'm not touching that. Moving on, let's take a look at the box. The box is really beautiful. We've got the two special Joy-Cons with these special white straps. We got the custom dock. We also got the custom tablet right here. Ta-da! 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 Ooh. Does it say anything different? No, it doesn't. What about up here? No. It's just an ordinary Nintendo Switch box at this point. So now the question lies, how in the world do we open this box? Oh, there's a tab right here. Ta-da! And what I like about this one compared to my original is the version 1 Switch with the weaker processor and the worse battery. This one is version 2 with the better processor and a better battery life, and is probably less likely to get bricked. So, how do I open this? I do not want it to. Ooh. Okay, that was a weird noise. But anyways, ta-da! Flip this around. What do we have here? Ooh, look at the beautiful design. I'm not sure if I want to take out the wrap. I don't want to scratch it until I get like a protector on it. But look at this. We also got the beautiful Joy-Con. Yay. What about this? Another beautiful Joy-Con. Yay. Let's put this aside right here. Take this out. Let's not get confused. Now that I will. Everything else still the same. Charging. No, this is the HDMI cable. Charging cable like usual. Okie dokie. Ooh. What does this say? It's just a normal manual. Let's put this aside. Ooh. What do we got here? Oh. The default Joy-Con grip. Kind of boring if you ask me. But this is interesting. This is beautiful. Look at this. So beautiful. I definitely do not want to make these Joy-Cons drift. I am not going to play Smash Bros. On these Joy-Cons. I already have so many drifting sets. Let's take these out actually and put them next to there. Ta-da. And last but not least, how do I take this dock off? Oh. You guys have no idea how hard it is to record with one hand and take things out with another hand. I'll try my best, but this ain't working out. I'll just have to dump it. Ooh. face up the way I like it. Woo! All right. Look at this. How do we take this out? This is so hard to do with one hand. I'm gonna try my best. Oh, it's out. You know, it actually feels like a normal dog. Even scratches like one. Though I don't want to scratch it at all, because I don't want to get any scratches on it. But it feels exactly like a normal dog. Like, yeah. It still got some powder on it. Oh, it's white inside. I like it, but it's black inside. That sounds a bit racist. Don't be offended. Anyways, man, it's so smooth. It just feels like a normal dog, but like it's colored. So, now what's our next step in this unboxing thing? Well, we don't care about the chargers, the cables. We already seen this, and we don't care about basically anything that looks default. We don't want this. We want to see how these look like with the Joy-Cons on. So I'm gonna put the Joy-Cons on the strap, actually, and on the grip, and then on the Switch. So yeah, let's start taking out the Joy-Cons. Yay! So this is a green Joy-Con, and oh man, it feels smoother. Oh, it's out of. It feels smoother than a regular Joy-Con. I don't know why. Probably because it's new. Oh, the blue one. Yeah, the white part feels really smooth, but the color part is really, really rough. Probably just me. Now, let's put on the straps. Oh, I don't want to throw it. So, I'm assuming minus. Like this. Oh, there's it on. It's working. Ta-da! That's one Joy-Con. What about the next? And I'm assuming it also goes on this way. Putting on with one hand is actually ridiculously hard. I'm trying my best to not break it, of course. Breaking this would be no good. Oh, it's going on. Ooh, look at this. It's so beautiful. The back isn't beautiful though, it's just white with white, but the front is really blue and green color themed. Alright, so the next part is the hardest part, which is the part I struggle the most. Taking the straps off. So, how do I do this? I'm gonna put the camera down because I have no idea how to do it with one hand. Alright. It's out. It's not, it's stuck. Oh, it's out. Whew. Alright. The next step, of course, is to test it on their beautiful, beautiful... whatever this is. The grip. Oh, you can put it on with one hand. Come on. Oh, no. Damn it. Aha. Now it's on. Backside, not interesting. Front side, really, really natural looking. Alright, now let's take it out. Give me a second. Alright, it's out. Last but not least, let's test out the Switch with look at the back. It's so beautiful. You definitely don't want to scratch this up. How does the stand go? I can't even open the stand, it's so new. I can't even open the stand, that's funny. What? Okay, this is actually funny. I cannot open the stand. I actually cannot open. Oh, it's open. It has a working stand, as it should. Working game slot, as it should. Not being sarcastic, but some of these does come with defects. Mine's all Gucci. Let's put this on the left side. Ta-da! Let's put this on the right side. Ta-da! Does the Switch turn on? Oh, it has battery. Yay, Nintendo made it come pre-charged. Yay! Oh, that's I don't know, the glitter. Yay! Let's turn it off now. How do you turn it off? Okay. Ta-da! Backside, pretty boring. You just got white and then paw prints and stuff in the back. Are these paw prints? No, these are trees, villagers, water, more trees, a lighthouse, and a boat. I sound really bored right now, because I am. But yeah, it looks beautiful on the Switch. So there you go, guys. The beautiful bundle. Let's put this together. And finally, I got a new Switch to replace my bricked old Pokemon Edition Nintendo Switch. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching.